In late June, IGS hosted back-to-back alert workshops in Kuwait and Jubail, drawing energy professionals from across the region to explore technologies that drive asset reliability, efficiency and life extension. The Kuwait session at High Regency Al Qaud brought together corrosion engineers, integrity managers and turnaround planners for a hands-on look at surface technologies, online maintenance and heater efficiency. Experts showcased in-situ methods like hot tech for hotspot repair and tube descaling, solutions designed to restore performance during live operation with zero unplanned shutdowns. C-Tech ceramic coatings, HVTS corrosion mitigation and the IGS metal spray rover were all demonstrated, each enabling measurable gains in efficiency, emissions reduction and asset life. 2 days later in Jubail, IGS continued the conversation, this time at the Intercontinental Resort, where attendees explored proven methods for corrosion mitigation, fouling removal and in-cycle efficiency recovery. Live-fired heater repair and high-velocity thermal spray were key highlights, demonstrating how targeted, no-shutdown interventions can help operators extend run lengths without compromising safety or throughput. TubeTech's robotic cleaning system and in-situ protective coatings offered powerful tools for turnaround planning, helping teams reduce scope, save time and protect critical assets under high-stress conditions. These workshops aren't lectures, they're working sessions built for real-world decision makers. Stay informed, stay ahead, connect with IGS for upcoming alert events.